how to share Snapchat photos directly to WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to share your Snapchat images and videos to WhatsApp on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on the photo icon on the left side of the shutter button to open your Snapchat camera roll. From there, find and tap on the photo or video you want to share to WhatsApp. At this point, tap on the three dots or the share icon to open the sharing options. In the next step, tap on Send To see the available sharing options. Following this, if WhatsApp appears directly in the list of options, tap on it to share immediately. Once done, if WhatsApp is not visible, scroll to the right of the sharing options and tap on More to expand the full list of apps. From here, find WhatsApp from the complete list of apps and tap on it. At this stage, a list of your WhatsApp chats will appear. Select the contact or group you want to share the photo or video with. Finally, tap Send to deliver the Snapchat photo or video directly to your chosen WhatsApp chat. And that's it. If this guide helped you share Snapchat photos to WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.